y is negative 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 5. That's the question that is given to us. It's a parabola. Let's review the parabola. 3 types. The first one is y is a times ax squared plus bx plus c. This is called a standard form. Okay, number 2, y is a times x minus h squared plus k. This is called a vertex form because this will tell you what the vertex is. The vertex is h comma k. Just like y equals mx plus b, you know the slope is m, b is the y-intercept. Same idea applies to this vertex form. And then y is a times x minus p times x minus q. This is called the intercept form because it will tell you what x-intercept is. So x-intercept will be p and q. How do we know that? We set y equal to 0 to find the x-intercept. So either by setting this one equal to 0, you know that x is either p or x is equal to q. You will get the y value equal to 0. So let's compare this to the question that is given to us. Y is negative 2, x minus 1, x minus 5. Now, as always, you should pay attention to the value of a. That's the leading coefficient of the x squared, parabola. Okay, so you know what the leading coefficient is. Now, here, that's negative 2. Now, you know that when a is greater than 0, it's a U-shaped. When a is less than 0, it's upside down U-shaped. Now, our a value is negative 2. That is less than 0, so we know that that's upside down U-shaped. Now, by looking at the equation, you should be able to tell what the x-intercepts are. But we set y equal to 0. That's negative 2, x minus 1, x minus 5. We set x minus 1 equal to 0 to find what x equal to 1 is. Second one equal to 0, x is equal to 5. So let's just draw a rough graph here. That's 1 and that's a 5. We know that the graph will be upside down U-shaped like this. Now, knowing the 2x intercept, you can figure out what the axis of symmetry is. That would be the average of 1 and 5. 6 over 2, that's 3. Because this is a symmetric graph, so it will be the midpoint of 2. So you know that the x coordinate of the x-intercept, that will be 3, because your vertex will be sitting on axis of symmetry. And let's try to figure out what the y value is. So y value when x is equal to 3, that's negative 2 times 3 minus 1 times, that's 3 minus 5. So the y value is negative 2. That's 2 times negative 2. That will be negative 8. No, that will be positive 8. So that will be 8. Okay, we're ready to answer the question. The function will have a maximum value because it is upside down U-shaped. The maximum value of the function, we're talking about the y value, that will be 8, and when x is equal to 3. Okay, so it's like a mountain you're climbing up. So you climb from the lowest point, you will go as high as 8, and then you go down. So your maximum value is equal to 8.